Hey folks, so these three objects represent my new laptop replacement project that I've been working on. I recently picked up these Nreal Air um, augmented reality glasses, as you can see here, and they sort of replace a computer screen. When you put them on, you basically see a giant 1080p screen just like right in front of your face, and it's really nice. You can use it as a second monitor. You can hook it up to all kinds of things, and it also has built-in speakers in the sides here. So whenever you plug it in with a USB-C cable, it basically routes the audio and the video through the glasses. So it it's kind of like a new thing. It's like not as enclosed as VR, and you can actually wear these around, and they almost look like regular sunglasses. So you can, if you wanted to, you could hook them up straight to your phone, put like a sports ball game on, and just walk around the neighborhood, and nobody would know. I mean, you can still see the regular world while you're using these, so it's kind of nice. I actually had my prescriptions added to these so I can see more clearly. That's a completely different video that I have on here. So check out my other videos if you want to see how I got my prescription lenses added to the AR glasses. And so the other objects here is my Galaxy S21 Ultra. It's a flagship phone from a couple of years ago. Still a great phone. It has the Samsung's phones have something called Dex mode, which when you plug in something like a monitor or something like these AR glasses, it turns your phone. What you see in the monitor or the glasses is called Dex mode, and it's like a desktop, just like Windows or Mac. So it's very handy for getting productivity work done. And I have my phone set. You just plug it right in. It goes right into Dex mode, and you can use these AR glasses, and it works great. And the third object I have here to complement these two things is this nifty little Bluetooth keyboard and touchpad. It's got a full touchpad on it with buttons and everything, so it's just fantastic. You just pair it with Bluetooth, and that's it. You're ready to go. You can use this whole thing like a regular desktop computer. And the the Galaxy S21 Ultra, it's a couple of years old now, but it still has the Snapdragon 888 chip in it, which is still on par with, say, more of a modern, like a modern Intel i5 or so, give or take. It's got 12 gigabytes of RAM in it, so it's a pretty powerful computer that most people don't use for the most part. I mean, if you're just scrolling TikTok and taking selfies, this phone's probably an overkill, and it's 2 years old. So so and with Dex mode, I mean, you can do all kinds of stuff. Like I do a lot of my work, and Microsoft Office, Teams, like you can do video editing, like 720 1080p video editing on this thing just fine. But anyways, well, let me hook this up, and I'm going to go into Dex mode and show you what it looks like. Okay, so I got too lazy to get Samsung Dex working to do screen recording, so I'm just going to show you what Dex looks like if you just plug your phone up just to a regular external monitor. Okay, just plug that in, plug your phone in, and then boom, it comes. Samsung Dex comes up on a regular monitor, and this is exactly what it looks like inside your glasses. It's a full-blown desktop OS basically inside your phone, and it works just like a desktop OS. You have your menu, to your start menu and things like that, all your icons, and everything opens up in a window just like desktop. There really isn't any good way to record what it actually looks like inside the glasses when you use mirror mode. I mean, I've seen people try to put their camera up to the lenses to try to record what it looks like inside, but there's just no way to do it. You just have to see it for yourself because it just looks fantastic. But when you're in Dex mode, I use this a lot for work. I have Teams, I have Microsoft Outlook, I have VMware Horizon down here is what I use a lot. It logs me right into my Windows 10 VM at work. I can't open any of these up just because of security reasons, but I use Premiere Rush is a pretty decent just a quick video editing program. You can see my last video here. But yeah, everything just like opens up in Windows. You can open up, Play Store, opens right up. Open up your gallery to see your pictures, everything like that. So it's fantastic to use. I mean, especially with the glasses, this looks just crystal clear, especially with my prescriptions. I mean, I'm at the point now where I can just use my phone with this and the glasses, and I can just use my Steam Deck with this and the glasses, and it just works out fantastic. I probably won't even need my regular computer much anymore. Oh, and before I go, I also wanted to mention just a couple of more things. You can the speakers on these things aren't all that great, so I think what a lot of people have been doing is using Bluetooth earbuds with this setup, which is perfectly fine. You can just pair it with your phone just like anything else, and you can get really nice sound that way. And another thing is battery life. These glasses will drain the phone battery quicker than usual. So if you want to use this setup for more than than your phone battery would handle, they sell lots of like little square like portable batteries that you could plug your phone into. You'd need an adapter. I don't have one here, but you can get one off like Amazon or something, just an adapter so you can plug the phone into the battery and into the glasses at the same time. So, if you have an even bigger battery or a solar generator or something like that, you could run this thing for days. But, I mean, the bigger the battery, the bigger less portable it becomes. But anyways, well, thanks for watching.